Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 146 Sydenham Street in Kewdale. If you're looking for a home, a real home, this is the one for you, and you should put it on your must-see list. From its 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home to its granny flat, swimming pool, dedicated cellar and a workshop, plus its immaculate gardens and located in a quiet cul-de-sac, this will always be a home you'll love to come back to. Please come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 146 Sydenham Street in Kewdale. As you can see, this home has so much to offer. You need to visit the home to capture what it'll give you. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.